Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop Outlook from automatically deleting emails from your inbox using the new version of Microsoft Outlook in 2026. If emails are disappearing from your inbox, moving to deleted items, archive, junk, or another folder without you doing anything, it can be frustrating. The good news is, this is usually caused by a setting inside Outlook, and fixing it only takes a few minutes. So let's get started. The first thing you want to check is whether sweep rules are turned on. Open Outlook and click the settings icon in the top right corner. When the settings panel opens, click Mail. Now look for Rules. Click on it. Here, Outlook will show any active email rules connected to your account. Look carefully for rules that say things like delete message, move to deleted items, archive, move after a number of days, or anything similar. If you find one, click on it and either disable it or delete it completely if you no longer need it. This is one of the most common reasons Outlook automatically removes emails from the inbox. Now, go back to the Mail settings area and look for Sweep options, if available in your Outlook version. Sweep is designed to automatically clean up messages, but sometimes it moves or deletes emails you actually want to keep. If Sweep is enabled, review those settings and turn off any automatic cleanup options you don't want. Next, check your focused inbox settings. Go back to Settings, then Mail, and look for Layout. Inside Layout, find Focused Inbox. When this is enabled, Outlook automatically separates messages into Focused and Other tabs. Sometimes users think emails disappeared, but Outlook simply moved them into the Other tab. If that happens, either check the Other tab regularly or turn off Focused Inbox completely if you prefer everything in one place. Now let's check Archive actions. Sometimes Outlook archives emails instead of deleting them. Return to Mail settings and review swipe actions, quick actions, or cleanup settings. Make sure emails are not set to automatically archive when you click or swipe certain actions by mistake. Another helpful fix is checking the Archive folder, Deleted Items, and Junk folder. Many missing emails are often sitting there instead of being permanently deleted. Move any important email back to Inbox and mark the sender as safe if needed. Finally, restart Outlook after making changes so all settings refresh properly. Then monitor your inbox for a day or two and check whether emails stop disappearing automatically. And that's it. That's how you stop Outlook from automatically deleting or moving emails in the new Outlook version. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below if you have questions, and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Quick step summary. Open Outlook, Settings, Mail, Rules, remove, delete, or archive rules, check Sweep settings, review Focused Inbox, check Archive actions, review Junk email settings, check Other connected devices, restart Outlook. See you next time.